video on my two purses, my Neverfull MM and my Graceful PM. I have been asked if my PM is a big bag or it looks big on me. So I'm going to do a little comparison, but before I do that, please everybody, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I do videos on luxury item and I also do videos on skin and foundation. So if you're interested in that, please go ahead and click and subscribe and click on that bell for notification as well. So with further ado, let me go ahead and show you the comparison between my Graceful PM and my Neverfull MM. So here you go. This is my Neverfull, which I love, you guys. I love this damier azure print. I think it is just beautiful. So as you can see how it looks on me here, okay? And then here is my Graceful PM. Here we go. So as you can see, it sits higher. It is a beautiful bag. It's a lot smaller than my Neverfull. Of course, I can cinch the side on my Neverfull if you guys don't like it like this, but I would say I would always have to own a Neverfull. This is something that I would not want to live without. I just feel like this is one of the most convenient bags, and that's why it's popular out there, you guys. People just don't buy this because, you know, they just feel like buying it because of the fact that everybody's got it, or some people don't want to buy it because everybody's got it as well. This is just, to me, a very practical bag, and it just holds a lot, and it's it's light, and I love everything about it. So that's why it is a popular bag, and that's why there's a lot out there. So I know a lot of people say, I don't want to get it because of that reason, but you know, I feel like if I didn't have it, I would not be very happy with that. So let me go ahead and hold it up, comparing its size. I don't know if you can see it. I feel like this is so dark it's harder to see. And then let me hold it this way. There we go. And then I'm going to hold it just like this in front of it, and you can kind of see the difference in the size. So my PM, my Graceful PM, is not a big bag, and that's why I liked it so much, and I was so excited when I got this bag because I have my Tournelle, which is this size but heavier, but it's gorgeous, obviously. And then I've got my damier Ben, which is one of my favorites. Actually, I love them all, so, and then there you go. Now, somebody was asking me where my Graceful was made. I thought it said it was made in the U.S. Louis Vuitton, Paris. Let me see here. I know I thought I saw that. Here we go. It's made in the U.S. This bag is the first one that I have that's made in the U.S. The other ones are not. So when I first saw that, I was a little disappointed, but I mean, it doesn't matter really when you think about it. The quality of this bag seems to be amazing. Everything about this bag is just perfect so far. I've used it a lot. I love the size of it. I definitely recommend this size to a lot of people. I noticed it's popular on YouTube, and I can see why. Never thought about even looking at it until one day I went to Louis Vuitton and saw this. So, and there you go. So those are that's the difference between my bag. Now, the inside here, there's one pocket on the inside, and this bag has one pocket also. So whatever suits your lifestyle more, I do recommend the Neverfull to everyone. I just think it's a gorgeous bag, and I do recommend this Speedy bandolier, or not just the bandolier, but the one without the bandolier. And also the Alma. Those three bags I feel like is a must. I know not everybody likes the Alma, but I feel like it's a must. I love it. And now that I have this, I love this bag, and I don't know, I wouldn't mind having this in the Azure. So just to let you know. So anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching my video, and I so appreciate it. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I darkened my hair. I have way too much gray now, so because I was just highlighting it, and then there was gray and highlights, and and I just couldn't hide my grays anymore, so I put a temporary color on it to see if I like it, and then I'll probably color it permanently at the salon, and then maybe put a little bit of highlights from there. So anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful day, and God bless.